Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Daily Podcast. My name is Alex, and I'm so happy you're here today. This is going to be a long and interesting episode, perfect for practicing your English listening and speaking. Today, we talk about one of the most famous people on YouTube, MrBeast. His real name is Jimmy Donaldson. He has over 400 million subscribers. Wow! He makes crazy videos. Big challenges, millions of dollars, islands, giveaways, cars, everything. But today is not only about his videos. We talk about his daily work, his routine, how many hours he works, his grind mode, and why he is so successful. Many people want to be like him. But is it easy? Let's find out. Please welcome my special guest today, Olivia Morena. Hi, Olivia.
Hi, Alex. Hi, everyone. I'm very excited to talk about MrBeast. I watch his videos all the time. He's amazing, but also a little crazy with work.
Ha. Yes, crazy in a good way. Okay, listeners, get comfortable. Maybe grab a cup of tea or some water. We will go slow, repeat important parts, and ask questions for you to think about. Ready? Let's start. First question, Olivia. What time does MrBeast usually wake up?
It's not a normal time, like 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. MrBeast doesn't have a fixed schedule. When he's in grind mode, that means very hard work time. He works very late. Sometimes he goes to bed at 3 a.m., or 4 a.m., or even later. So he often wakes up late, maybe at noon, 12 p.m., or sometimes even later. But in busy months, when he's filming big videos, he sleeps very little. In 2025, he said he was averaging 15 hours a day of filming, and sometimes he didn't go to bed at all.
Okay, everyone. MrBeast works 15 hours a day. Good job. Now, let's imagine a normal day. When MrBeast wakes up, what does he do first?
First, he gets out of bed. Many times, he actually sleeps inside his office or studio. Yes, he has a bed at work. So, from his bed to his work desk, it takes only 30 seconds. No traffic, no long drive, no excuses. Then, he does a short morning routine. He exercises. He lifts weights, or he stretches his body. After that, he takes a shower, changes clothes, and eats breakfast. Or maybe lunch, because it's already late.
Breakfast at 1 p.m.? That's funny. Listeners, do you sometimes eat breakfast late? Think about it. MrBeast's studio is huge. Very, very big. It is over 63,000 square feet. He has a big team, more than 250 people. Writers, editors, producers, camera operators, and many of them are his old friends.
Yes, his team helps a lot. But MrBeast is still involved in everything. He checks ideas. He checks videos. He checks thumbnails. He checks titles. He obsesses over details.
He reinvests the money. Good. He doesn't keep the money only for himself. He puts it back into better videos. So, what can we learn from MrBeast? Not everyone should work 15 hours a day, but we can learn hard work, consistency, and improving a little every day.
Yes, practice English, like MrBeast practices YouTube, every day. A little better. Don't rush, but don't stop.
Big dreams need big effort. But remember, take care of yourself too. Balance is important. Thank you so much, Olivia. for this amazing conversation.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next podcast. Keep practicing English. Every single day. You can do it. Never give up. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling. And don't forget to subscribe.